Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful nude and butterfly dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Nude Dip Powder known as Havana and Vivian Clear Dip Powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I apply one layer of clear dip powder to my nails. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the index finger, I apply a thin layer of base to the whole nail and then I dipped it into the nude dip powder. And I did the same for all of the nails. So I'm just doing my basic dip application, so I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. Honestly, I really slept on this color. I didn't really like it at first, but now I really love it. It's a super gorgeous color. I don't know why I didn't like it before, but it's really nice. Now I apply my second layer of dip powder. Then I proceeded to encapsulate the nails with some of my Revel Nail Clear Dip Powder. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. And I'd also like to thank my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you for liking my videos, commenting and staying subscribed. And I'd also like to get some feedback from you guys on what you'd want to see more of on my channel. So let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see more of on my channel. So right here I'm just applying my activator and I waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. Now this is after filing of the nails. Now I'm applying my Model 1's gel glue to my index and pinky finger. And before curing, I applied my Model 1's gel top coat to all of the nails as well as the index and pinky finger, and then I applied some rhinestones to the index and pinky finger and cured for 30 seconds. Now I wanted to add some butterflies to my nails, so I cut out the ones that I wanted, and given that my nails were short, I had to choose the smaller decals. So I ensured to remove the clear film from the decal before placing them in the water, and I actually made a mistake. I placed all of the decals in the water all at once, and I didn't really have time to remove them from the water before some of them already separated from the white backing. And it was a little difficult as well, but I got it done. The reason why it was difficult is because it kept sticking to my finger, as you can see right here. But it's all trial and error because this is probably my second or third time doing this using decals. It's not that hard, it's just the fact that I am filming and doing this, that could be a little difficult sometimes, but whatever, I get it done, so small thing. Then I applied top coat to the middle and ring finger and cured for 30 seconds. I did 2 layers because it was still a bit textured after the first coat. When the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So I hope you guys liked this simple dip powder nail design that I did, and if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!